Just a bunch of leaves on the street. That's basically the main thing. That new house survived, though.
That's good. Well, it's tied down a little bit.
Yeah, true. All these palm, like, not palm fronds, like pine trees came down too.
Pine boughs.
Yeah, and then part of the streets flooded there. And that's all muddy, over there. There's some more flooding up here. I'm not too sure about flooding down here, though. Yeah, there's flooding down there. We got a lot of flooding. Oh boy, that is not good. Yeah, that's gonna be a while before that flood water goes down. They're probably not gonna let anybody in the neighborhood. Aw, shit. Oh, crap. Can't turn around in the middle of the street. Well, we can't evacuate, I don't think, because our car could get swept away. And that's all shit water. That is disgusting. That is literal shit water. That is nasty as hell. Ew. I think the road washed out. I honestly think the road washed out. We might actually have to drive through it to turn around, because it's either that or that muddy road. Oh my god, that is disgusting. It's literal shit water. Ew. Who would want to drive their car through that?
You have to get out. You have to get out.
So we do have some flooding, but our house doesn't have much damage. There's a couple of trees that got damaged, and our siding is damaged, but basically our house is okay. We didn't flood, which is good. Yeah, yet again, the drainage ditches failed, and, the street flooded. Charlotte River probably overflowed too, and there's a lot of shit water in that, so yeah. Oh, there's a branch in that bush over there. It's like sticking right out of it. These potholes, though, they're horrible. Yeah, so basically, there's a little bit more damage here. There's a bunch of, leaves in the street, so we did get that, but basically our road remained intact. So yeah, that's about it.